And I think there's a video that maybe you've seen, which is of a priest getting shot in the head at the very detention facility where I've been protesting. So that's what motivated me to begin protesting.
There's a part of this ProPublica reporting that I wanted to highlight, which is that among the citizens detained are 20 children, 2 of whom have cancer, 4 who were held for weeks with their undocumented mother and without access to the family's attorney until a congresswoman intervened. What are the legal options that people in these situations have if they are U.S. citizens and if they are being denied their rights and they are being detained by ICE?
Well, I think that underscores, I think, the overall point that's been made by many others, which is that we're supposed to have due process in this country. And due process means a lot of things, including the right to legal counsel and to have a judge opine on the propriety and legality of what ICE is trying to do. I'm not an immigration lawyer. But clearly what's happening when people are whisked off the street by federal officers that do not have name tags or any insignia. We have no idea what agency they're working for, some of whom are denied their due process rights clearly. Some are whisked out of the country on an expedited basis without any opportunity to even speak to a lawyer or appear before a judge. So it's really appalling. And it goes contrary to our fundamental understanding of what it is to be in America.
Robert, really quickly, are you going to sue the government for its illegal detention of you? What rights do American citizens have who are detained by ICE officials and ICE agents when the DHS press office has gone out of their way to say repeatedly, no, Americans are not being arrested by ICE agents?
Some of the statements being made by the administration are just patently false. I know from my own experience that demonstrators have been protesting peacefully, exercising their First Amendment rights without any interference, without impeding federal officers. And in my particular case, I didn't commit a crime. I was not charged with a crime. It was never explained to me why I was detained. But I guess the overall point is that the Constitution applies to citizens and non-citizens alike. So my hope and expectation is that the administration will reverse course in terms of the appalling conduct and denial of due process rights to immigrants and to citizens alike. It really needs to change.